Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where the Minetak Shrine is located in Tears of the Kingdom. It's just north of the Skyview Tower that's above Great Hyrule Forest, sort of off to the left of Death Mountain. To get there, we're going to have to descend from the Sky Tower, because it's just the most convenient and coolest looking way, into a cave on the other side of this large rock formation here. It's going to look like an enemy base because it is. It's full of Horriblins, which aren't too bad to take out and kill, but just know that you'll probably want a few arrows and a decent weapon or two before you go in here. There are a few little camped out areas inside of this. It's like a large donut shape once you get in here, and they are guarding the shrine that you want. So just descend over here into the cave. It's right here. It's the one with the spooky, scary jaws. And inside of here, besides some glowing mushrooms and a few bright blooms, is the DEPLIAN Badlands cave. From inside of here, you can just throw down a couple of light blooms. There's some bomb flowers that you can use on the floors and the walls. But for the most part, what you're going to be concerned with is just going down these hallways and clearing out all of the Horriblins before you go to your shrine. You could have actually gone either direction. It's about equidistant to go to the shrine. Once you're done clearing out the area, I just went to the left because that's where I heard noise coming from. And inside of here are some varying level Horriblins that will require you to shoot them off of the ceiling. Some of them are going to want to throw rocks at you. Just go ahead and dispatch them, and you should be able to pretty easily navigate through here, get the bonus chests that unlock, and then once everything's cleared out, you'll find off to the side before walking to the final cavern room with more Horriblins in the back, the actual shrine itself. I did end up going through and clearing out the rest of the Horriblins, but you really don't need to, unless you really want their loot or need it for upgrades. And then once you go into the shrine itself, you'll find that it's literally just a RAURU'S blessing, which means that you don't have to do more puzzle. There's just a reward at the end, and you get a bonus chest that's right there in front of you. And that's it. You get your light blessing, and you're all done. Hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.